Pardon with crafts and beer!
So, I'm crafting an inn and need a piece of stone floor for it. So let's make a stone floor of a little super Sculpey or clay of your own choosing. Here I use baking paper so the clay don't stick to the rolling pin when I flatten it out. When satisfied with the shape and thickness of the piece, start by making out the shape of the stones with any tool you got available. Then just start sculpting the shape of the individual stones. Use the sculpting tools you have, and this is, I think, nothing one should hurry. Every stone takes its time. Patience is good. Put on an audiobook, listen to an interesting pod, or put on a YouTube video to make the process less tedious. When the stones start to look good and you start to feel satisfied, take foil to get some structure on the stones. Finish it off with a soft brush to avoid too smooth surfaces where you don't want them. When you are satisfied, take a break for a few hours. Come back for a last look with fresh eyes. Otherwise, there is a risk of getting annoyed on small details afterward if you bake it too soon. Are you still satisfied? Bake. And as always, bear down and craft.